6 signs of poor emotional health. Do you sometimes feel like your emotions are out of control? Do you lose your temper quickly or often regret how you treated someone else? Let's review the warning signs of poor emotional health. Isolation or social withdrawal. If you find yourself isolating, your emotional health may be suffering. If you are unsure about your relationship with yourself, you might avoid relationships with others. If you find that you are spending more time alone and are turning away opportunities to be with loved ones and friends, your emotional health may need some attention. Blaming others. One of the most common forms of self-sabotage is to blame other people for your own mistakes or failures. Blaming is a sign that you have not accepted responsibility for your own emotions, behaviors, or choices, and that you lack the self-awareness necessary to process how you feel about your situation. Arguing. If you find that you get into a lot of arguments, whether it is with friends, coworkers, family, or even complete strangers, then this is a sign that you are not processing your emotions well. When you hold things in, they can manifest as anger. And when you are not attuned to others' feelings, you may find yourself frustrated with their behaviors. Regretting your behavior. How often do you think to yourself, "I really wish I hadn't done that. What is wrong with me that I can't control myself?" When you are not dealing with your emotions in healthy ways, it can lead to decisions that do not support good health or that harden your relationship with others. Being confused by others' emotions. If you struggle with emotional health, it can be difficult to understand or deal with other people's emotions too. If you are often confused about why other people react the way they do, or are annoyed that someone has an emotional reaction to a situation, it is a sign that your own emotional wellness is not that great. Trouble in relationships. Whether it is friends, family, or romantic partners, if you find that people are always leaving or finding ways to spend less time with you, that is a big red flag that you need to improve your emotional wellness. Cultivating and maintaining relationships is a sign of emotional health. And if you lack in this area, then working on your own emotional wellness is a significant first step.